Hello everyone, my name is Asavari Anil Reddy. I am from Sri Siddheshwar Women's College of Engineering, Solapur. Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we are going to learn about a very fundamental topic in mathematics, complex numbers, and we also look at the basic algebraic operations you can perform on them. First, let's understand what a complex number is. By definition of a complex number is an expression written in the form x plus iy express iy. Here x and y are both real numbers, but this letter I is what makes it special. It represents the imaginary unit and its value is defined by the property I is equal to root minus 1. Now let's start with the basic algebraic operation. First, addition. Let's say we have two complex numbers, z1 is equal to x1 plus iy1 and z2 is equal to x2 plus iy2. When we add them, the rule is very simple. Add the real parts together and add the imaginary parts together. So z1 plus, let's see an example. If z1 is equal to 1 plus 2i and z is equal to z is 5 plus 7i, adding the real parts 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Next up is multiplication of a complex number. Let's look at the derivation first. Suppose z1 is equal to x1 plus iy1 and z2 is equal to x2 plus iy2. When we multiply them, we use the standard algebraic expansion method. Z1 dot z2 is equal to x1 plus iy1 in bracket multiplied by x2 plus iy2 is equal to x2 plus iy1 x2 plus x1 iy2 plus i2 I square y1 y2. Now remember, since I is equal to root minus 1, I square becomes minus 1. So the last term changes from plus I square y1 y2 to minus y1 y2. Grouping the real and imaginary parts, we get x1 x2 minus y1 y2 plus I y1 x2 plus x1 y2. Let's do the practical example to make this super clear. Let z1 is equal to 2 plus 3i is equal to 3i and z2 is equal to 1 minus 4i. Multiplying them, 2 1 2 multiplied by 1 minus 2 multiplied by 4i bracket plus this all, since I square is equal to minus 1 and minus 12 I square becomes plus 12. So like this, that's our answer. Now we'll see division. Finally, let's look at division. This is a bit unique because we cannot leave an imaginary unit I in the denominator to remove it. We use the complex conjugate. If we have z1 divided by z2 is equal to x1 plus iy1 divided by x2 plus iy2, we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator, which is z2 minus iy2. In the denominator we get x2 plus iy2 brackets multiply by x2 minus iy2, which simplifies to a real number x2 after expanding the real number and whole numbers. So to sum up, we covered that complex number are how to find their conjugates and how to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and the division on them. The most critical rule to keep in mind through all the operations is that I square is equal to minus 1. Thank you so much for watching. If you have found this explanation helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your college friends, and subscribe for more engineering mathematics topics. See you in the next video. आता देऊ कशासाठी पाहिजे पण
मला डायग्राम काढायची.
मग फोनमध्ये आहे ना.
फोन चार्जिंगला लावला.